Poinsettias are a classic Christmas flower, and they really set the tone around the house for the Christmas season. It's not always practical to have a live one. Fortunately, tissue paper poinsettias are super easy to make, so let me show you how. For this project, you will need red and yellow tissue paper, a green pipe cleaner, and scissors. To make the petals, you want to work with the fold of the tissue paper, and you need 3 sets each of a larger and a smaller petal. So I've cut patterns here just so you can see what the 2 sets of petals look like, but you really do not need to make a pattern for this because it's a really simple shape that you can just freehand. But I thought I would just do it this way to show you. So you're going to do a larger set of petals, and you want the bottom to be on the fold there. And this is about 4 inches long. You don't want it longer than that because the tissue paper won't hold anything much longer than that. And then you're going to make a smaller one in the same shape. Again, right on the fold. So that one's about 2.5 inches long, but it's really, you just need one bigger and one small. So I'm going to cut those out, leaving the fold intact. So I have 3 sets of the larger petals and 3 sets of the smaller petals. To prepare the stem, cut a piece of tissue paper about 1 inch by about 2 inches of the yellow. And then on the very end, you're going to hold that edge up against the pipe cleaner, leaving about 1/2 inch or so free up above. Okay, so I'm going to roll that tissue paper around the pipe cleaner as tightly as I can get it, leaving a little bit at the top. Okay, and then kind of twist it at the end to make sure it stays. So you're going to fold down the top part that is loose, and then you're going to make another fold in the pipe cleaner so that that loose part is in the middle there, like so. And this will give us a nice yellow center. Then you're going to cut some center pieces from the yellow, and these are going to be about 1/4 size, and you need 2 of them. Go ahead and just freehand it because we're going to make fringes, so it doesn't have to be perfectly circular. Now cut fringes all the way around. Just little clips about 1/4 inch in. To assemble the poinsettia, start with one of the center pieces and poke it through and bring it all the way up to the top, to that yellow piece. And you're going to smash it up kind of all the way around. And then you're going to do that with the second center piece as well. Bring it up to the top and just kind of smash it around. Now we're going to take each of the petal pieces, we'll start with the smaller ones, and we're going to fold them in half to make a crease. So the poinsettia has a very prominent center vein there, so this is going to help us make it look a little bit more realistic. Okay, poke through the center of each one and bring it up to the top. And we're going to stagger the leaves. Okay, once they're all up at the top, just crunch it a little bit at the base. You don't want to crunch up the petals, but just the base so that they come forward just a little bit. Right, now you're going to do the same thing with the larger petals, starting with folding them in half Okay, and bringing them one at a time up to the top of that pipe cleaner. Okay, again, once you get them all to the top, just crunch it up a little bit around the base and arrange the leaves so that they are spread out evenly, and you're finished. Please subscribe to my channel for more holiday ideas and other craft projects. There's new episodes every week, so you don't want to miss one.